trade finance from European banks to boost SMEs. Whether you are running a large-sized business or a small or medium enterprise, access to trade finance is important to the survival and growth of the business. But the reality is, getting trade finance from banks is really a high-hanging fruit for SMEs. This is because of the stringent procedures and demands of the bank. To support traders with their trade finance needs, banks require available credit line or bank facility, 100% cash margin, all supporting documents. Most SMEs were not able to fulfill the demands of the bank, which restricts their access to trade finance. Bronze Wing Trading L.L.C., the trade finance providers in Dubai, is here to help the traders who face a lack of cash funds or lack of bank facilities to get trade finance from their bank. We extend our own bank facilities available in European banks to issue letter of credit, standby letter of credit, and bank guarantee. We are here to bridge the financial gap faced by SMEs. To know more about our trade finance facilities, contact us today. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.